Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you on how to create an AI video or animation video. So, if this is your first time watching my video, can you please subscribe to my channel, like it, and share it, and comment on my video. So, as to drop whenever I drop any limited video, so you'll be able to know that I've dropped another video. So, the first thing you have to do is that there are many platforms out there that you can use to create an AI video or to recreate a video that you want to turn to an AI video or animation video or to cartoon, anyone. So to do that, there is a platform we call Let's Go.ai. Let's Go.ai is a very good platform that you can also use to create and recreate your video. So first thing you have to do is you have to sign up on this platform. So on this website, after that, then you'll be given an access to create whatever video you like. Mind you, there is a very free version and also premium version. So for those who are using the free version, you have the opportunity to use you have 100 coin. So that means you'll be given a free 100 coin. So this is mine still remain 85. So to do that after you're done signing up on the platform, you will automatically be directed to this home page right here. So then to do that, you just have to upload whatever video you want to create. As you can see, drag out and drop file or upload. So let me upload a video so you can see on how it works. So for that, you can also write the prompt that you want the video to be. So maybe you have a style that you want the video to be, so you can write the prompt here and this I want the video background to be in luxury house or a whatever. So I can just change it. So this is the original video. So right here. So before we create it back. So as you can see, I want the video background to be in luxury storefront and the person in the video should look more cute. As you can see. So the video duration is like will be 5 seconds. So that's the highest. For you are using the paid version, you can actually upgrade to like 15 seconds and full. So any amount of seconds you want the video to be. So to do that, so let's move on. So let's generate the video and let's see how it looks. So click on generate video. So that's already started creating our video. So it says expect to finish in 7 minutes. So this is when the video is probably going to be done. So let me show you one of my video I created. So this is how it looks. Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. This video I'll show you how to create information. Good day everyone, welcome. So as you can see, it is really great and it looks very more professional. So let's have it for like 7 minutes to just finish creating our video. Then we are free to go and do whatever you want to do. So you can also use this video to this platform, this website to create maybe an influencer or whatever content creator. You can use it to create any of your video that you're creating video on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or anywhere or any platform or any social platform you are using. You can make use of this website to create your video. So I also apply for the paid version. So let's check the paid version on to see the price. As you can see, so this is the price for the standard one. Train counts like 50 seconds, like $6 per month. So multitask like can do like multitask like doing more than two tasks together. So as in doing $2 per month. So this is really great. And for the mega plan, you can also make use of the $49, which is times 5 multitask. Then the train counts like 15 seconds. So that's it. So that's the paid version. And you can also buy token. So in case your tokens finish, because it's normally finished, so you can make use of creating another Gmail to get more if you don't have enough money to subscribe on their platform. So you can make use of different Gmail to do your video. So and then that's all. So if you really enjoy my video, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like it and share it and comment on it. So I'll be dropping more videos on how to create more AI videos using another platform like Pika.ai. So I'll be sharing more update on that. So good day everyone. So in case I'll drop on how this video looks like. So good day everyone. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.